Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you this box. It's a Happy Meal box. It's from Andy's shop. You know what? Now that I think about it, it's probably the same size as a Happy Meal. It's so freaking cute. I love it. I made it Christmas theme only because it came with this die which says do not open until December 25th, which I thought was super cute. But let me show you the dies. So you get these two big dies that you cut 2 times each. You get the layering pieces. Okay. You get this really nice snowflake. I didn't cut this one. You get this one that says celebrate. Yeah. With the little shadow. You get this one that's like a little doily, which is this right here, which I think is super cute. And then this one here is the one that says do not open until December 25th. And once you cut it, you can put I guess like a shadow behind it so you can see it better. But this is the box itself. It's really nice. It's a big size. The box measures about almost 8 inches tall. And it's 5 inches wide. Yep. And I'm telling you guys, the inside, huge. You have a lot of space. So I just added 2 little Velcro dots there. Not sure if I like the Velcro though. I need to buy little ones. These are kind of too big. But this is what the box looks like. I think it's super, super cute. I love that it comes with that tag with the word. The tag itself is from my stash. And it came out so cute. I added a white trimming just to give it a little something because at first I thought it was a little too plain. This big bow is from Dollar Tree. And I thought it went perfect with this box. Now this bow is big, so just imagine. It fits the box perfectly. But yeah, this is definitely a good die. It fits your standard cutting machines. And it's perfect for Happy Mail. Look how pretty. It's so freaking cute. It's so easy to put together too. Super easy. So I'm going to fill this one up with goodies and send this one away. And look how cute. This is like, I love this. So what do you guys think? I think this is definitely a die that you need in your stash. I'll put the links in the description bar. And that's it. I hope you guys like it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.